In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any image into a collage frame in Canva. This tutorial was inspired by my great friend Reno, and you can find the link for his YouTube channel in the description also. So I already inserted the same image to the Canva. First thing, we need to remove the background. Then go into the apps and looking for the Collage Maker, which is a paid third-party application. So to get pro functions to convert, we need to have a subscription with the software. But there is a good news. When you made a subscription, you will have a 3 days of trial period, and you can cancel a subscription in these 3 days. Anyhow, when you're using the free version, you have lots of different templates in different categories. But now we are looking for the convert. I will have to convert this image. We need to check the thing. So size 3600 by 4800. This is actually the size of this Canva. I turn on the transparent background and choose only the second page. And now click on export. Now it's exported. Now we have 3 different ways: masonry, grid, or split. Here we can change the maximum numbers of frames. Gap, I would like to have 1 gap. In this case, it looks better. Entire design, and just add design. And it's here. We already have this collage frame. I just move into the other new page, and we just need to fill the collage with images. I will do it quickly. So I already filled the collage with pictures. I did the same image to every portion just to make it quickly. And as you can see, I changed the background. So here is the final result. So I know I missed two pieces, sorry. Just realized now, just quickly fill them also. And to here also. No. So now it's fully done, sorry. As you can see, it's quick and easy. So this application, as I mentioned already, is the paid one. So if you would like to do it your own collage frames, you need to pay for it, but there are lots of free templates also inside. So this application is really highly recommended. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope you will like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed the algorithm. Then, of course, if you have any question about Canva, struggling anything in Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages for other Canva tutorials. Plus, you can find also the link for my Buy Me a Coffee coffee link where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.